Hey guys, it's me Ryan and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and showing you guys my initial thoughts on a dress form that came in today. If you guys have been around here for a while, you will know that I've been looking for a professional tailor's dummy for a while now. I honestly, for about over a year. I use these dress forms all the time in university and outside. I really wanted to buy my own now for a while, and I wanted something that was industry standard and that professional quality. So in industry they use K&L, which are Kennett and Linsell, but unfortunately they are extremely expensive, even with like the student discount. A company on Etsy called Atelier Stand. Now Atelier Stand say that their dress forms are equal to the industry standard K&L. I actually don't think they say K&L specifically, but they say that they are equal to industry standard. So because of the price and the amazing reviews that all of these dress forms had, I had to jump at it, and I also did get a student discount on top, so it was significantly cheaper than if I went out and bought a K&L dress form. So what I'll be doing today is simply setting it up and unboxing it and giving you guys my initial thoughts. I'm super excited about this, so let's just get right into the video. So this here is the base of the dress form that came in yesterday, hence why it's already unboxed. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen my Instagram story post, but already I know for a fact that base is so heavy duty and high quality. Already it's, for me personally, beating the industry standard that I'm used to using. So we're on a very good start for now. I'm hoping this is the actual form. I ordered a size 10 women's form, which you guys will see. I'm hoping that the instructions to actually put this together are in here, because I actually have no idea. And I'm also not sure if I'm going to put the wheels on it, because I don't plan on transporting it like pretty much anywhere except for this room. And I want it to be solid in order for me to be able to drape properly. But yeah, so let's just unbox the form and let's get it set up. So far it's very well packaged. So unboxing, this is an arm that you get with the form. This actually comes free. You get one in the box. This comes free with the form, so you are able to drape. If you do a lot of draping, you're able to drape sleeves and things like that. And also if you want a, if you want to fit a garment with sleeves, you have one sleeve. Here are the instructions to putting it together. They seem very clear, and they have pictures, which is fantastic. So we will definitely be referring to them. So now let's get the actual form out of the box. Then lastly, the poles, which of course hold it up from the stand. So now let's actually start putting the form together. So the instructions say that the first thing to do is take out the base and install the four wheels and also the lever foot. So that is the thing that we're going to do first. So as you can see, it's very, I think it's steel maybe, it's very heavy duty metal. I think it is steel, and I can tell this isn't going anywhere. So I'm very happy with the quality of the base to get it out. So this is the base. As you guys can see, it's very heavy and it's very heavy duty. So this is definitely a really great quality base, and this isn't going anywhere. So in order to install the wheels, you don't have to screw them or anything. You just take the wheel, you slot it into one of the holes, and you hear a click. There. These wheels do seem to have the stoppers on them to stop it rolling, so that's why I'm going to install them. Hopefully I can. If not, I could probably take them back off. Next we just need to install the pedal. So in order to do that, you just take the pedal, you slide it underneath, and it will clip in between like there. Now let's actually install the pole. So to insert the pole, take the end with the smaller spring here and it says just place it into the base until it hits the pedal, and I'm assuming it's hit the pedal because I saw the pedal move. And then once that's in, just tighten the black T-bolts so it is in fully, like so. So now the pole is in and it's tightened. Next you're going to want to press your foot on the dress stand, on the bottom, on the base, on the pedal, and that will release these two triangle pieces up here, and then you simply hold them together. And before you do that, when you press the pedal down on your foot, it will release these and allowing you to take this cap off. Until you do that, this cap won't come off because they're expanded. So make sure you press the pedal down with your foot, and then you'll be able to take this cap off them. So next is the actual dress form. So what I'm going to do next is simply press the pedal down, so as you guys can see, and then make sure these are held together, these two triangular bits here, and then insert the dress form whilst they are held together, and that will allow it to fit into the base. So I managed to get it on the stand, and it was very, very easy, and I actually think it's really good on how it's like how you adjust the height. So you literally just unscrew the T-bolt on the side, and then you just use the foot to release it, put it up and down, and then you screw it back on. So it's a very good system, and the quality on this is absolutely fantastic. I am very, very happy. So I would definitely say these are comparable to the K&L ones. So if you guys are looking for a more affordable industry standard dress form, I recommend Atelier Stand. I will link their Etsy in the description box below. And I am actually, in the future, when they have more men's stands in, I will be buying one in my size for myself. But right now, as you guys know, I focus on women's wear, so that's what I'll be doing. So right now, I'm just going to attach the arm. Apparently, it's just simply slotting on and off. This plate I shown you guys in the beginning is actually for the armhole if I wanted to reattach, which I think is good. I think it's great the fact that they still include that. So I just unboxed the arm and took that off. So as you can see, the mechanism is kind of clip on, so we'll see how good this works. That's great. It literally just slides on, push it down, and then you can rotate the arm, which I think is very useful as well. But I'll just leave it like this, and then so this is the final dress form, and as I said, I'm extremely happy with it. Everything from the quality to the dealing with the shop. I ordered this Saturday and it's only now Thursday, and the first package arrived yesterday, so it literally hasn't even taken a week to arrive. They are based in Manchester, I believe, in the UK. But yeah, this is definitely comparable to the industry standard dress form. So if you guys are looking for industry standard dress forms but can't afford the price of them because they are about £1,000, I definitely recommend Atelier Stand. I will link them in the description box below. But yeah, I am super, super happy with this. It's going to be fantastic in aid of fitting and draping. For corsets, I can now put them on, which in fact, this corset here is a size 10, the one I showed you guys in my last video. So I will be able to put this on the form, hopefully. So I will pin that on later. But yeah, this is my new dress form, and again, I am super, super happy with it. So this is the dress form up close. I thought I would show you guys a closer look. So as you guys can see, it has all of the necessary seam lines. So you've got the neckline, you've got the centre front, you've got the princess seams across the front and the back. You have the underbust line, which is fantastic for corsetry. Like you can literally see a shape of a corset on here right now. You have the waistline marked. Of course, I have marking tape, so I will mark the hip line and any other necessary markings. But all of the seam lines are already on here. This is the sleeve. Like I showed you guys earlier, it just pops on and off. It has all of the side seam lines as you would expect, and then of course the cage, which will be fantastic for leveling dresses and things like that. And then if you just go around the side again, you have another seam line, and then of course the back, you again have the centre back markings as well as the back princess seams, if you will. So yeah, that's the stand-up claws. Also, another feature is it actually has collapsible shoulders, which is fantastic for taking things on and off the mannequin, especially if you're doing it via the neck hole. So even though the arm's still on, if you just place your hands on either side of the shoulders like this and then push in, as you guys can see, the shoulders will collapse in, allowing you to take things on and off much easier. And then to push them back out again, you do the exact same thing. So you push in and they will release. So I think that is just a really good added feature as well. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope it gave you an insight, or it helped out any of you looking to invest in your very first dress form. The reason why I got an industry standard one is simply because it's what I'm used to using, and in the past I have used the ones, like I bought one off eBay, like I think it was like £30. It was kind of more towards just displaying on like shop windows, and that literally broke within a few months. It was absolutely rubbish. It was just polystyrene. But you know, if you want a stand that is just for displaying your makes, they will do just fine. So that's the reason why I bought this one. It's not just because I wanted the best or because I wanted something better than, you know, other people. It's literally because this is what I need, and this is what I will use. But you know, if you guys get any of the adjustable mannequins and you're just sewing for yourself, that is perfectly fine as well. But yeah, so this is the new form. As I said, I'm extremely happy with it. I will make sure I link the shop down below, and I'm definitely going to leave them a very good review. This video isn't sponsored or anything, by the way. They haven't asked me to say any of this. It's simply because it is a fantastic form, and if any of you guys watching this are students, if you can prove your student status when you message Atelier Stand on Etsy, they will actually give you 10% off, and I believe that code is valid for 1 week only, which is a mistake I made. They sent me a code and I tried to use it about 2-3 weeks later and it was invalid, but luckily they did send me another one. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I just really wanted to set this up and show you guys, because I just like to document anything to do with my sewing journey. Thank you guys so much for the love on the last video, and I'm very happy you guys are happy to see me back, because I am definitely happy to be back and filming again. So again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more future sewing and fashion content, and also be sure to follow me on Instagram. That is always linked down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.